Hi, my name is Jamile, and today I'm gonna explain how to become an active listener and a good speaker. Um, in this presentation, we will explore a lot of tips to develop confidence in English when you are in the experience in online in face-to-face environment. This research is designed to develop listening and speaking skills, provide authentic material for the students. Listening materials. The listening teach uh, to design listening activities face-to-face environment is to be attentive. It means that you really focus in the present moment. In the same ways, it's important inquire or ask questions. If the listener has some question, it's important that you really pay attention to these types of things. It tries to resolve the question. In the same way, it is important be sensitive with emotions to the students, and it's important that it create on dictionary this type of thing. It will help you to the students to learn new words and use for communicate effectively. Okay. I'm gonna some listening tips to it makes your present nows. It means that it's important that you every day increase your knowledge and, and every day that you need to study a lot and design or change the activities of the material that you consider that can be very useful. It's important to give feedback to the student in the same way tries to get the student focused in and acquire knowledge. In the same for the speaking materials, it's important choose the right topic according to the level to the student that you that you are working in this moment. Um, it's um, it's useful to know your audience because you can design uh, activities or resources related with that. Keep in mind the necessities the that I have every student. It's important to summarize the information to the students and always tries to expand the vocabulary. Speaking recommendations. It's important to define the roles to the speaker and listeners. Use teacher recorded video instruction, message, lessons. Make audios recording for the students. Um, conclusions, we can see that nothing is more important than the ability to communicate effectively. Say Gerald Ford. And so, according to this idea, it's important uh, that the teacher uh, can be this person that really helps to the student with the progress to communicate effectively, and the same ways show um, the benefits or the the students can have if um, they learn new language and can communicate with another peoples. Um, Thank you very much. Um, um, and bye bye.